Everything you could ever imagine, anything you can ever want from university, UWF has. My name is Wadey Abdel Qader. I'm a senior majoring biomedical sciences. I'm currently a research assistant at the University of West Florida. I was always interested in neurology, so I started kind of looking into what kind of research the University of West Florida does. I found Dr. Chung's lab, and I learned that she was doing research on genetics and how it could affect motor neuron health. And a lot of the diseases that humans have, such as Parkinson's disease or Alzheimer's disease, are found in fruit flies. We're hoping to see how some of these genes that we're targeting affect the physical health of the fly. My goal is to attend medical school and specialize in pediatric neurology. It's definitely one of those fields that you feel like you're really making a difference for someone. Making a splash for me is knowing that I'll have helped make UWF a better place when I leave it than when I first came.